I saw you standing still and strong, polished metal shining, something pulled me along. Simple and sleek there, making my heart race. Couldn't look away then, found my perfect space. Every morning starting slow, turn the key and watch you go. Breaking free from yesterday, learning how to find our way. My steel companion, heart of chrome, racing through the streets we roam. Every curve and every mile we share, nothing else can compare. My steel companion, pure and true, everything I am with you. Passes call us through the morning mist. Purring engine tells me what I almost missed. Shifting gears together, finding perfect sync. You respond so quickly, faster than I think. Every evening driving home, just us two. Breaking loose, no need to roam from all my fears, counting down these precious years. My steel companion, heart of chrome, racing through the streets we roam. Every curve, every mile we share, nothing else can compare. My steel companion, pure and true, everything I am with you. First sunrise, when we both came alive. The way you moved so smoothly made me feel like I could fly. My steel companion, heart of chrome, racing through the streets we roam. Every curve, every mile we share, nothing else can compare. My steel companion, pure and true, everything I am with you. Everything I am with you. Everything I am with you.
Headlights paint the road ahead. My heart beats with the engine song. Time slips away, I'm breaking free. Feel the midnight wind rush, breaking past the ordinary. Tonight I'm finding who I'm meant to be. Feel the midnight wind rush, I am knocking on kaze. Feel the midnight wind rush, set my spirit free. Engine roaring, soul soaring. Feel the midnight wind rush. Metal heartbeats true and strong. Every curve brings me back home. Racing thoughts all fade away. Feel the midnight wind rush. Tonight I'm writing my own story. No limits, just infinity. Feel the midnight wind rush. Feel the midnight wind rush. Set my spirit free. Engine roaring, soul soaring. Feel the midnight wind rush. when I'm behind the wheel. Everything I am becomes so real. This moment's all